Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In the digital age, this has become a popular topic with immense potential. From the comfort of your home, you can tap into global markets, selling products or services, or even your expertise. This video aims to break down the process of making money online into simple, digestible steps. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, there's something for everyone. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of online money making. The first step in making money online is understanding the various avenues available. Let's dive into some of these. First up is freelancing. If you have a skill or talent that's in demand, you can offer your services to clients worldwide. This could be anything from web design and coding to writing or graphic design. Next, we have blogging. By creating engaging content on topics you're passionate about, you can attract a loyal audience and monetize through ads, sponsored posts, or even your own products. Speaking of products, selling them online, whether physical or digital, is another profitable route. This could be through your own website or marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon. Affiliate marketing is another option. Here, you promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. And let's not forget online tutoring. If you're an expert in a subject, you can share your knowledge and get paid for it. Now that we know the different ways to make money online, let's move on to the next step. The second step involves choosing the right platform. As we delve deeper into the world of online money making, it becomes clear that not all platforms are created equal. The platform you choose to make your digital mark on should align with your skills, interests, and the type of online money-making method you've chosen. Imagine you're a gifted graphic designer. You might lean towards platforms like Behance or Dribbble, where your visually stunning work can truly shine. If writing is your forte, platforms like Medium or WordPress could be your best bet. Coding wizards may find their home on GitHub or Stack Overflow, while video creators often thrive on YouTube or Vimeo. Each platform has its own unique audience and its own set of rules. They offer different ways to monetize your skills and different levels of competition. It's like choosing the right stage to perform on. The right platform can amplify your performance, while the wrong one can diminish it. Choosing the right platform is crucial, so take your time and choose wisely. The third step involves building a strong online presence. Now, why is that important? Well, the digital realm is a bustling marketplace. It's like a crowded room where everyone is shouting. To be heard, you need to stand out. So, how do you do that? Start with social media. It's your billboard, your platform to share your ideas, and your chance to connect with your audience. Then, focus on personal branding. It's not just about a logo or a catchy name, it's about your story, your values, your vision. Make it unique, make it authentic. Remember, consistency is key. Regular content creation is like a heartbeat. It keeps your online presence alive and thriving. It shows commitment and builds trust with your audience. The digital world is vast and noisy, but a strong online presence built on social media engagement, personal branding, and consistent content can help you cut through the noise. Building a strong online presence will set you apart from the crowd and increase your chances of success. The final step in making money online is persistence and patience. It's crucial to understand that the digital marketplace is not a gold mine where instant riches are guaranteed. Rather, it's a platform where diligence, consistency, and the willingness to learn and improve are rewarded. Consider it a marathon, not a sprint. It's about keeping your eyes on the prize, taking it one step at a time, and not being disheartened by the occasional stumble or fall. It's about maintaining a steady pace, learning from every experience, and continuously tweaking your strategies for better results. Your patience will be tested, no doubt. There will be times when progress seems slow, but remember, every small achievement is a step towards your ultimate goal. So, keep going. Keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in your ability to succeed. With persistence and patience, you can successfully make money online. To sum up, making money online involves understanding the different ways, choosing the right platform, building a strong online presence, and having persistence and patience. We've explored various methods, deliberated on the importance of selecting a fitting platform, emphasized creating a robust digital footprint, and underscored the significance of patience and perseverance in this digital journey. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a steady and rewarding path. Remember, the journey of making money online is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep learning, keep improving, and you'll surely achieve your goals.